Acesynergi is great on so many levels. I can say, like, I come from a math background, so whenever I studied for math, I was only like memorizing formulas, wasn't really able to apply it to my vocabulary. But until I went through a Synergi Solutions to study for the ECBA, I was able to communicate better on a whole different level. Like, it was great. And understanding the business aspect, which I never had an idea of beforehand. And also the quizzes, making you think in new ways of how to apply the concepts with how to be a business analyst and understand why the question is there and why you need to know these concepts, because it's very important in the future aspect of being a BA. And I was able to actually finish my ECBA the first time, and I'm really bad test taker, but I was able to finish it and kill it.